Newsletters enable you to automatically and periodically inform interested recipients. In the Newsletter Management tab, click on Add Newsletter. After adding a title and description, you can select how the newsletter gets published. Customize your newsletter using the building blocks title graphic, table of contents, free text, and saved searches. Select an existing search or create a new one. By clicking Create a regular newsletter, you can activate the newsletter. Newsletters enable you to automatically inform colleagues and decision makers about relevant developments.